Skateboarding? Yeah, that's skateboarding. Do you like skateboarding? Whoa. What's that? No, not in the milk. Yeah. You can dip it in the milk. You like it in the milk?
Yeah.
Okay, you can dip it. Oh, yummy like that? You like it?
This?
Yeah. Your favorite food, yeah? What's that? Oh, you want rice? Okay. Are you done with corn? What about tomatoes and cucumber? Is that yummy?
I don't like this dinner. What am I supposed to eat here?
How about some tomatoes? Sit down, sit down.
You love corn.
See, tomatoes are good.
Okay.